This is Buildcraft TV, and this is the hovering test. We're just doing a hovering random test like that for the fun of it, just to know if things could hover with air, because air comes from air compressors, because air comes from the bottom, pulls it up, and it's not hovering as well as we thought, but probably is because of the shape. Okay, so it's hovering on one side. You can make it straight. Like, look, it's not straight. Make it better. Okay. It's probably because it doesn't have any control. This one just doesn't hover at all. Okay, so the other piece. Okay, try this piece. This one's hovering. Okay, so now we're going to try a bigger piece. Okay, on 3, go. See, it's hovering. Put it there, wait.
Wait, let's just cover the horse roll first.
Okay.